Hi everyone, this is Irma with my note cards. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are an old timer, well, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I embraced a stamping mistake. Now this is the latest card that I am making. There's a strong possibility I may put it on my Etsy shop. We'll see about that. But that's not the point. The point is that I wanted to show you. You see these dark smudges? That's a mistake. But I learned to embrace the mistake and make the mistake part of my design. Let me just show you quickly so you know what I'm talking about. Here is my stamp. You see it's not that raised. I already inked it up. Very often with these kinds of stamps, sometimes when you stamp it, the image isn't clear. So instead of taking this image and throwing it out, I decided to embrace it and go with it and create a beautiful card. Try that next time. Don't allow a stamping mistake to get in your way. Think out of the box and think of how you can embrace it and make it part of your artwork. Hope this helps. Have a great day.